Hi folks, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video is a special request, Sony alarm clock, how to set the alarm. So I'm going to show you that today in this very special request. Before you get started, please help me out for thumbs up. The bell icon will be notifying new videos, and I really appreciate a thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Hey folks, so this is a special request, so I'm doing this because I did a lot of Sony alarm clock. Notice A and B alarms. All right, the A one's on the left side and the B one's on the right side. So you got buzzer, radio, and off, of course. You also had snooze. I think snooze, if you hit snooze, I think snooze is about 10 minutes. If I'm wrong on that, please post in the comments below. I never used the snooze, by the way. So B, you have the same functionality as the one on the left, the A one. Yes, if you're using the buzzer, you have two options for the alarm volume, high and low. If low is too low for you, make sure you remember to switch it to the high side. Otherwise, we won't be able to hear the buzzer, okay? Just like that, to switch it. Not like a low, then you just switch it low like that. So, also they have this time set, alarm time set adjuster on the bottom. So let's move it to radio right now, just for giggles. And we can move the wheel over here. Suppose you move it counterclockwise, you notice the time's gonna go up, right? And if you move it the other direction, you know, clockwise, it actually goes down on the time. So amazing, very simple to use product. So you know, and you could do it slowly, of course, right? So once you finish setting up, all right, you might want to turn it off and turn it back on to confirm. Then once you do that, the A is blinking. Then it holds solid with the current back to the current time, right? So that's how you set up alarm A. Alarm B is actually the same way to set up. And notice that if you're using the radio function, make sure you test out the volume for the radio. So otherwise, if the volume is too low, you may not hear the alarm. Then you're just going to sleep through it if you're a heavy sleeper, right? So same with the alarm time set. So I'm not going to detail that, but make sure this volume over here is loud enough if you set it to the radio. And then you're going to tune it to the radio station, either in AM or FM as well too. So very simple alarm clock to do and you know, to use. All right. So like I said before, there's the on the right over there you got A and B. If A is enabled, it's going to be solid, and there's a dot there. You're setting it up, it's blinking, all right? If you set B, B will be solid, all right, once it's set, all right? So if I turn on B right now, for example, it's going to show the current alarm time setup, then it goes back to the current time, all right? Simple as that. It's going to turn it off, and you can turn it off just moving to off. So simple to use, easy to look at, and that's a big thing, right? Notice that the A is set. Then the solid A is lit. There's a little dot over there. That's the giveaway that is enabled. So, and that's all to it for this simple Sony alarm clock. 2 alarms. I really like that. It's simple to use. Hopefully this video was helpful if you have a Sony alarm clock. And these do last very long, by the way. And I have mine for more than 12 years. Please help me out for thumbs up. A comment to share. Please leave it below. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.